All right, watch this. Say you did in a situation and you have your son. You don't have nowhere to go. 2 dead man over there, so. 2 dead somebody down the road down there, so. You're going to keep your kid in the environment there while these body are decay.
After the storm, you move to the phase of assessment.
We know that.
Right. So you assess the damage, you see what happened, you go to places then where you can go. So after that phase, then you move to clean up, because you can't even start repair it.
We know that.
You have to start clear the roads and, you know what I say, try to get the people in power. Now, we understand, so you have people who get affected really, really bad. Zane? But those people also are pulled together with the community and them are try to rebuild something.
Yeah.
Now, I don't think it's feasible to take them out and carry them go so far, but listen what I say, carry them go to Kingston, because if it was me and I was in that situation, I would not want to leave my property or whatever it is that I have that was left from the storm. I don't want to do it if you see when we can get back together.